Hey guys, sorry for not putting a video up in a while. Just been busy with life. Being a single dad with 2 kids now, I don't have much free time. But when I come across a good product, I want to show you guys. Again, there's another purchase from Ron from the Fox Workshop. I just want to show you what it is. Alright, so you got a loop on top. They're really sturdy. The whole thing is sturdy. I'm not gonna say this bit, that bit. The whole thing is well built and tough. It's gonna last you a while. Really sturdy belt loop there, with a nice thick like kind of cover and kind of a belt loop type bit here, so that's not going anywhere once it's on. Again, it's just really nicely made. You got your little toggle there. Let me just show you what I'm keeping in there at the moment. Everything on this is leather and brass, I think. Alright, so lid, another handkerchief, got Pathfinder bottle, my chain, and fish mouth hook. Let me just get my cup out. There it is. It's only because it's leather. It's gripping it. Alright, so it holds that. Got my lid, chain, 2 handkerchiefs to stop it from making noise, all in there, and you still have plenty of space, if you can see that there. So that's a really good buy. I did pay for it, so it's not like he's throwing me a freebie or anything. Just wanted to share it with you guys, but that's the look of the inside of it. It's nice, really nice leather. That's the bottom. It's just that I can't fault the guy. He does really good work. Other things I bought of him, I showed some of this in a previous video. This is my little leather bushcraft toolkit at the moment I'm working on, but I bought that off him last time. Holding up well. I got a nice few items in there, and then I also got this one, which again, it's really durable, well made, no problems. And I also have that one. So I'm definitely a repeat customer because he does really good work. I'll put all the links in the description box below for you guys. Check him out. He does have some sales going on once in a while, but not really happy with all this. I want to share it with you guys. Hope to put some videos out a bit more regularly. But thanks guys for watching and supporting me and sticking with me, but things will get better. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.